Hey YouTube, what's happening? Chris from Versus 3D down here at 3D Printing Canada. Got some news for you. We're now shipping to the US, from the US. We're shipping directly from Niagara Falls right to your house. Great thing for you, you don't have to pay extra duties, there's no extra taxes, and our price is in Canadian dollars, so it's still gonna save you even more money. Check out our website, www.3dprintingcanada.com. We've got over 1,000 SKUs, tons and tons of filament, printers, parts, you name it. Chances are we have it, and if we don't, we're probably getting it in soon. If you need some more information, check it out. Like, subscribe, click the bell. It's over there. The bell's over there, right? I know it's over there. Click the bell, that way you'll get notified, and stay tuned.